Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Android Endoscope camera what I purchased from Gearbest, and I want to make a quick review of that. It came in this box, so it says it has built-in LEDs, 6 LEDs, focal distance of 4 centimeters that will be important later, blah blah blah. There is a QR code for the app, but I was too shy to open. I most prefer using Google Play with safe applications. Here's what we got in the package: a micro USB to USB converter to connect it to PC. It's a female micro USB here. That's quite tricky. Here is a spring with some magnet for and some with some small mirrors for reaching and picking up objects from tubes and similar hard to reach shapes. Here's the manual, and here's where they advise camera fee, what I'm using here in my phone, and they enclose a CD, I guess with some Windows installation code. So here is camera fee. After the opening up, you can see it on your smartphone. It has a adjustable brightness LED here. You can change with that wheel, and also there is a push button here. Looks like nothing happens in the Android application. Let's check out the manual. So here is my only problem, that the 4 centimeter focal distance perhaps maybe sometimes just too far away, but didn't test it in real scenario and real field test, let's say. We can say that's still a really good value for that price. Let's try to look into a plastic object, which is a solder iron holder in this case. I would say it's useful from first impression. What I have in my idea, in my mind to checking the engine of the car when the spark plugs removed. That could be fun to check the internal things inside the engine. So basically it was really easy to start to install the application. It's starting up without any other process. So I would advise this for just quick evaluations and measurements and using in the household around. It's good for the price, I think. Oh yeah, and it gets a little warm after a while. It's somewhere like 40 Celsius degree, so it's not terribly warm, but you can feel it your hand. I guess the LEDs generates a lot of heat. This looks like aluminum enclosure, by the way. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.